One of the most essential features of your Postage account is our secure document storage features. Proper planning means having access to your documents when you need them. With the Postage, you can upload important information to our secure cloud storage platform. Frequently uploaded documents include financial records, wills, medical records, passwords, and end-of-life wishes. Additionally, you can store a wide range of file types, including documentation, images, audio, and video. Now, let's walk you through how to upload documents, how to view your archives, and how to delegate access to these documents. In your account, there are two ways to upload documents. The first way is to upload documents in its relevant categories. In this walkthrough, we'll demonstrate doing this for an insurance document. Within the dashboard, we'll select the Plans option, then click Add Plans Now. Let's go to the Estate Plan section and upload an insurance document to the My Insurance subsection. In this section, you can upload a copy of your insurance or related files in the Dropbox below. You can drag the files into the Dropbox or click on it to browse through your computer files. You can add additional details such as where your physical will is located in a text box below. For your convenience, notes in this section automatically save. To view your uploaded files, head to My Documents. Your My Documents houses all files that you have uploaded to your Postage account. Underneath the file name, you have the option to share, edit, download, and delete the file. Clicking the Share button will allow you to select individual contacts to have access to that file. You have the option to grant your contacts access to files immediately or upon your death. Your contact will receive an email letting them know that you have given them access to a file in your Postage account. To access the file, your delegate will need to follow the link in the email and create an account. The alternate way to upload documents in your Postage account is to go to My Documents. At the top of the page, you should see the three boxes that will allow you to upload files, pictures, and videos. Here, you can again drag the files to the appropriate Dropbox, or you can click on the Dropbox to browse your computer files. After the file has finished uploading, you will see it under All Files. This file will be considered an unspecified document, but if you want to categorize it, select the Edit button. The Postage provides you and your loved ones access to your records on your terms, complete with the highest possible standards of online safety and security. We hope this walkthrough was helpful to you. Start uploading all your important documents today and gain the peace of mind you and your family deserve. If you need further assistance, email us at help@thepostage.com.